Morning everyone. Actually it's afternoon. Today I'm gonna go visit my brother, meet him up at his market, which is at IKEA and IPC shopping mall. So let's go. Got my matchanatte bag with me. We are good to go. By the way, I packed something for my brother. This is actually the new... Oh my god, praying again. This is actually the new button badge. It's in a mystery bag. I'm gonna give him one. And this is the new keychain. Comes with 4 multiple cards. Yep, gonna bring some gift for him. Oh my god guys, oh my god, it's been an hours I'm finding the parking and I finally found it because it's like totally full. I never see IKEA is so full of humans before. By the way, I bring some sandwich for my brother just in case if he's hungry. Yep, I'm gonna go down now.终于找到这个人类了，经过1个小时。
有吗？1个小时？
没有啦，就是。这个人类给我的盲袋，我看到你抽的那个无限好运。
对啊对啊，那是我们的，这个是我们的。
这多少钱？
这我可以在凌晨60。
这多少钱
10粒。
我的盲盒才卖6块。
你找我拿它吗？
我的盲盒才卖6块。
这是什么？哎，好嘞，这个我也
好炫。
符合你。符合你。
Eat well, sleep well。
符合你，符合你。
它还有什么的？
那边还有卖。等一下，我再给他买东西。
好可怕。
要不要买？要不要买给他吗？
不要，它不值得拥有。
什么？我还给你老公的不要啊？
它不值得拥有。
啊？他觉得是多余的东西。
没有，因为他讲没有什么好挂的。
你可以问他哪里做的。
什么？
可以问他个小姐姐哪里做的。
这个。我要关掉这边。
啊，对，19块，19块面拉面。有松露的跟光汤口的，有松露的那种光汤，有光汤。我不相信这个是我们的现实。应该牌子 Zara。
没有啦，就做爽。My brother is downstairs. Still drawing. It looks so pretty. Pretty flowers for my brother. So nice. I am heading back home right now. Inside of IKEA. wanted to buy ice cream, but look at this crowd. Too much. I just came back from the market and I bought something from this Maureen. So basically what he draw is related with cats. And wait, they have a logo here. It's quite cute. The paper bag is so delicate. Actually, I bought this this horoscope coaster from him. He is like selling at like middle of the ring because like some of the booth is actually displayed outside, and then some of the booth is displayed inside the mall. So like those vendors are still very hard working. They're really trying hard to sell their things. And I asked my brother about this because he actually introduced me this creator. He's an illustrator, and then he also selling cats. Then he think that I might like it. So today I finally got to visit his booth, and I actually got this for my husband. This coaster is a Sagittarius cat. They have other horoscope as well. Even the side have detail. And this is all the horoscope they have. But I got a Sagittarius one because my husband is a Sagittarius. Same as me. And then he actually gives a fan. So I think it's like you purchase anything that he will give you this headband. Looks really cute. And then I got this one. They say like 吃好睡好 means like eat well, sleep well in Chinese. And I like blue. This really suits me because I really lately have been a little bit anxious and gastric come back a little bit, so you know, I think I got this for a reason. I basically paste every sticker that I got from different vendors. This is my one, matchanatte, and this is Pagi Bunny that I got from Pingming, and this one is actually from a Sabah creator, and her name, I think it's a girl. Her name is Day Off, her page. And then this is the one that I got just now, 财富自由, and it's green color, so I like it a lot. I like green color. I got this one, another one, from a shop called Kling Kang. This, like, you know, like what the Cantonese would say, Kling Kang, Bing Bing Biang Biang, you know, those kinds. And then she gave me a free card, so positive white card. And then this is the event and date and name. It's nice. And this is her logo, Kling Kang. Then I got this card, this postcard. So cute. This is the white rabbit candy that Asians like it a lot. You know, this is my childhood memory, I would say. So cute. They even handwritten some wordings. The last one is birthday cat sticker. She did a white cat. Let's draw one. And then they got 3 kids by herself. So cute. And I'm gonna paste this on my laptop later. You know, recently I've been trying to collect a lot of postcards and stickers from lots of creators that I've seen. I just feel like, you know, this is part of my journey. That would be my journey, and seeing them being so creative, it makes me kind of motivated sometimes. So see you guys next time.